All right, third flight.
Good to go? By the way. Oh, nice launch, Jeffy. You are the man. Throttling back. This is hands off right there.
You know what, Al?
Yeah.
Picking.
Whoa.
Yeah, she don't like to slow down. Remember, she's like the other one.
Yeah, I'm giving it power.
Yeah, and the turn.
Once I give it power, it doesn't come down.
Yeah, and the turn it won't do that as long as you hold power.
Yeah, give me two up. That looks pretty flat.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Maybe one right.
Maybe one right?
Yeah. Okay, that hands off.
That's beautiful right there. Right there, like that there, man.
Like that.
That's pretty right there.
My other one, I have two servos on the Tailorons, and I have them set up for Tailorons. I can steer it with the elevator hat.
Hey, Pecan Patch, this is especially for you. That's the way it's supposed to fly.
Pecan Patch.
I
Yeah.
have no idea what that is. Oh, I shouldn't do that. You're gonna have to edit that part out.
I don't have to put it on.
Yeah. But you know you're gonna want to post it.
Nobody else made it fly this good.
I know. They have a Sabre like this too, dude. Yeah, well, you guys make me want to build the Sabre. I just don't have the build time right now for it. Many other things going on.
It actually yaws a little bit left. I should probably bend the rudder for a little right rudder. That's hands off. Oh, you can't see the yaw
Yeah,
here.
just leave it alone.
Yeah. Just fly it. Paint it red. That looks like a mirror.
Yeah, but airbrush it. Don't fucking use the paintbrush.
No.
Have a Jake airbrush or you airbrush it. Take it to the house.
That roll is cool.
Heck yeah. Here comes Gary and Jack again.
Are they close enough to see when it's flying?
Not yet. I want to say Gary here. He's almost up here.
Whoa, that roll is intense.
That is awesome though. It's playing great.
I'm scared to make the turn too low a throttle.
Yeah.
Until I get used to it.